Everyone. Before getting too far, let's talk about the two main fulfillment methods for Amazon sellers. There's fulfillment by Amazon, known as FBA, or seller fulfilled shipping, sometimes known as self-shipping or MFN shipping. So with FBA, you send your inventory to Amazon fulfillment centers, and when you receive an order, we pack and ship the product or products to your buyer. With seller fulfilled shipping, you coordinate delivery for your orders yourself. In this series, we'll mainly be focusing on seller fulfilled shipping. Okay, so first we recommend updating your notification settings so that you're updated when you receive an order. You can manage the type of notifications and how you receive them by hovering over the settings menu and selecting notification settings. You can find your orders from the Seller Central main menu by hovering over Orders and selecting Manage Orders. So orders in the Amazon store start in a pending status when first received, then move to unshipped before entering the fulfillment stage. You do have options for managing orders depending on how many orders you typically receive. You can use the Manage Orders tool or Orders Report. You can find reports for your business's orders on the Orders Report page under the Orders tab in Seller Central. Using the All Orders report will show your order and item information from both FBA and seller fulfilled orders for a given period of time. So use these reports to monitor and analyze demand across fulfillment and sales channels. And as you can see here from the GIF, this is how you navigate. So now let's talk about what to do when you receive an order. When a customer checks out with your product in their cart, Amazon places the order in pending status on your Manage Orders page until payment is verified. All orders are held for 30 minutes to give customers an opportunity to cancel orders. In some cases, verification can cause orders to remain in a pending status for up to 21 days. If a customer reaches out while their order is in pending status, please refer them to Amazon customer service. Once Amazon successfully verifies payment information, an order will move into the unshipped status. When this happens, your customer will receive an order confirmation with the estimated date for delivery. You'll also receive an order notification. Once an order is in unshipped status, it's time to fulfill the order. You can also cancel orders at this stage if necessary. To start the fulfillment process, you'll need to locate the customer's delivery address, either on the orders detail page, an orders report, or an unshipped orders report. Once you've located the address, you'll need to ship the order to your customer using their requested shipping method. When handling fulfillment yourself, you can choose to arrange delivery with your chosen carrier yourself, or take advantage of Amazon Buy Shipping services. So Buy Shipping services let you buy shipping labels, individually or in bulk, ship and confirm orders, and track your shipments. With Buy Shipping, Amazon automatically suggests shipping services based on the delivery promise to your customer, your carrier preference, and lowest available cost. Using Buy Shipping services can help protect your shipping performance, metrics, and streamline the shipping coordination process. Once you've shipped the order, you'll need to confirm shipment. As a note, you do not need to confirm shipment for FBA or orders using Buy Shipping services. When you confirm shipment, you'll need to provide the ship date, the carrier, shipping method, tracking ID supplied by the carrier, and the ship from address. Select an order from the Manage Orders page to view the order details page for that order. On this page, you can print an order packing slip or contact the customer when necessary. When you receive an order for a product enrolled in FBA, you do not need to take any action. You can review your FBA orders by clicking View FBA Orders on the Manage Orders page. On this page, you can review your FBA orders and issue refunds for orders when necessary. So before I turn it over, let's quickly review what we've covered. While managing and fulfilling orders, be sure to 1. Check the customer address, 2. Buy or coordinate shipping, and 3. Confirm shipment. The 2 main statuses you'll want to look out for in your Manage Orders page are pending and payment complete. And with that, I'll turn it over to Colleen.
Hi, everyone. Now that we've talked a bit about fulfilling orders, let's cover what to do when you receive a return. You'll use the Manage Returns page to handle any returns for your non-FBA products. As a reminder, returns and customer service for FBA products are handled by Amazon. We recommend responding to return requests within 24 hours. Amazon automatically authorizes U.S. return requests that fall within Amazon's return policy. Manual authorization for return will be requested for returns outside of Amazon's return policy. When your authorization is required, you'll receive an email notification from Amazon. To manually authorize a return, select Manage Returns under the Orders tab in Seller Central. Go to the Pending Actions tab and select the request you'd like to review. When you approve a customer's return request, you can use an Amazon-generated unpaid return label or upload your own custom prepaid return label. Amazon will handle returns and refunds for FBA orders. In some cases, your customer may want to cancel an order. How you respond will depend on the order status. If you haven't yet shipped and confirmed the order, you can cancel the order in the Manage Orders page. When you cancel the order, Amazon will automatically update the order status and send a notification for your customer. If you already shipped the order, you can ask your customer to return the product for a refund. When you receive the return, issue a refund if you already confirmed shipment, as customers aren't charged for an order until shipment is confirmed. For the visual here, it's just showing how they cancel it and what to do in both cases. To ensure a great customer experience regardless of fulfillment method, Amazon uses A to Z guarantee claims. Customers can file claims for 2 main reasons: if the order wasn't received or if the order did not meet customer expectations. To submit an A to Z guarantee claim, the customer will first contact you and give you an opportunity to resolve their issue. Depending on the issue they're experiencing, they'll be directed to use either buyer-seller messaging or return request feature. You have 48 hours to respond to issues raised by your customer. If you can't come to a resolution, customers can file an A to Z guarantee claim. Amazon will then investigate the claim. If the claim is granted in the customer's favor, the claim amount will be debited from your account. You have 30 days to appeal the decision. You may at some point during the order process need to communicate with your customers. Buyer-seller messaging lets you communicate within Seller Central or your email. Keep in mind that you may only contact customers to complete orders or to respond to customer service questions. Never contact customers for marketing or promotional purposes. Buyer-seller messaging is the only approved method for communicating with Amazon customers. You shouldn't use buyer-seller messaging to request reviews. Amazon automatically requests reviews on your behalf after purchases. If you'd like to request a review for a specific order, you can use the Request a Review feature on the Order Details page. When you use this feature, Amazon asks the customer for a product review and seller feedback for the order.
Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.